She thought you'd chase her. She thought leaving you would destroy you. But here's the part she didn't see coming. You didn't break. You evolved. Let her go. Let her think she won. Because while she's chasing temporary excitement, you're building permanent power. And when she finally looks back, she'll realize the man she left no longer exists. Section 1. She replaced you because she never really knew you. Let's be brutally honest. She didn't leave a man. She left her perception of you, the version she thought she could manipulate, the version she thought would beg, the version that would fall apart without her. But that version is dead. She didn't replace you. She replaced the illusion she created in her head. And what she didn't anticipate was that your detachment would ignite a transformation so powerful that she would never be able to access you again. She went looking for better. But the truth is, she downgraded from a man becoming God tier. Section 2. Why you don't chase. The Stoic law. The Stoics taught one thing clearly. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca. You imagined losing her would hurt, but when she left, it freed you. She expected a reaction, a text, a weak attempt to win her back. But a Stoic man does none of that. He does nothing. Because doing nothing is doing everything. It sends a message louder than any words. You don't affect me anymore. And that is the energy women fear and secretly crave. Not the desperate man, but the indifferent man. Section 3. The power shift. She didn't expect. When she walks away thinking she has options, you don't compete, you conquer. You don't post sad quotes. You don't chase closure. You become silent, focused, relentless. Why? Because heartbreak is fuel. Pain is a forge. A Stoic man knows. A man who controls his emotions, controls reality. While she's on a self-discovery trip with a man who offers comfort, not depth, you're diving into darkness, conquering your mind, multiplying your value, and suddenly her silence becomes your symphony, her absence becomes your advantage. Section 4. Emotional control is power. Ask yourself this. Why does it hurt when she chooses another man? Because you're making her choice about you. But here's the truth. Her decision is a reflection of her character, not your value. She chose distraction over depth, comfort over challenge, attention over authenticity. That's not rejection, that's revelation. And in that moment, you stop viewing her as the one that got away, and you start seeing her as the one who freed you. Let her go, because now you're dangerous. Section 5. Her new man is not a threat. He's your replacement painkiller. Let's go deeper. She didn't replace you with someone better. She replaced you with someone easier, less demanding, less focused, less intense. You weren't just a boyfriend. You were a mirror. You showed her her insecurities, her fears, her patterns. She couldn't handle that, so she chose a man who doesn't require her to grow. That's not love. That's emotional escapism. Let her escape. Because what she's running from is exactly what she needed most, your presence. Section 6. Dark psychology. Why she regrets leaving you. Here's where it gets cold. She wanted a reaction. She wanted you chasing her so she could feel powerful. But instead, she's watching you evolve in silence. And that silence is loud. Psychologically, this is what's happening. She expected validation. She got rejection. She expected obsession. She got detachment. Women don't regret leaving you immediately. They regret it when they see you no longer care. That's the trigger. That's the psychological collapse. You win not when she comes back, but when you wouldn't take her back, even if she begged. Section 7. Leveling up. The ultimate revenge. You want real revenge. Level up so far that she can't even start a conversation with the new you. Get stronger, smarter, more disciplined, more attractive, more silent. Go where she can't follow. Enter rooms where her name doesn't echo. Make money, build your body, master your emotions. Let her scroll through your life one day and whisper, damn, I lost him. And you'll smile, because by then you'll realize she was never a loss. She was the test, and you passed. Section 8. You are not her option, you are the prize. Repeat this until it becomes your DNA. I am not a second choice. I am not a backup plan. I am not replaceable. You are the storm. You are the mountain. You are the reason she'll compare every man after you and feel nothing. Why? Because Stoic men don't beg. They don't wait. They don't attach. They rise. And eventually, she'll want to return. But by then, you'll have become so rare, she can't even access your frequency. Section 9. Why she's watching you now. You may not know it, but she's watching, lurking, because women always circle back to power, to strength, to stillness. She wanted a boy who validates. Now she misses the man who vanished. Every glow-up post, every win, every silent move you make is painful for her because you're proving her wrong. You didn't collapse. You didn't cry. You transformed, and that is unmatchable. Section 10. Why you win forever. She thought she could break you, but instead she activated the man you were born to be. She thought she could replace you, but instead she reminded you that no one can replace your purpose. She thought leaving would destroy your world, but she didn't realize you were the world. So let her go, not with anger, not with resentment, but with silence and a smirk, because while she's replaying the past, you're building an empire she'll never step foot in again. This message is for my viewers. Listen carefully. So if she chose another man, let her. Don't react. Don't respond. Don't return. You don't lose her. She loses access to a man who becomes untouchable. And that is the ultimate win. So focus, discipline, silence, building. She's not your destination. You are your destiny. Key takeaways. You weren't rejected. You were redirected. Her leaving was the beginning of your glow-up. Indifference is the most powerful reaction. Your silence triggers her deepest regret. Level up so hard, your past becomes irrelevant.